And I'm Stefan.
And we are...
We always had a dream to travel Australia.
So we packed up our lives and began our adventure in a renovated caravan called Rocket.
Be sure to tune in every week to see where our adventures take us next. It's crazy. I feel like this is incredible and also not incredible view in two ways. It's quite incredible, but also not incredible. Yeah, like you definitely can't see the waterfall, but look at those clouds. That's awesome.
Come back at the end and maybe it would have cleared.
This whole thing is like a bucket of cloud. That's pretty cool.
It's a blanket.
It definitely is.
Wow.
This is the one we're doing, over cliff, under cliff. See you on the way. Cool, you can really see the fog like lifting as the sun hits it. And there's waterfalls back there. I don't know how well you can see that. We may have came too early for this. It's just a little cloudy.
So if you come later on a weekend.
Yeah, it's going to be packed to coming later. It'll lift. You can see it lifting. You can't really see it very well on the phone. Maybe if I... Oh yeah, see it lifting? There we go, now you can. It's like a train track almost. Big blanket. Looks like it's opened up a little. This is the Charles Darwin walk. So I switched out the hoses for everything to water safe hoses, drinking water safe hoses, and I just pressure tested it all just then, and it holds pressure with 0 visible leaks anyway. I don't think there's any. This was very hard to seal. This is not what I ordered, by the way. I ordered like this cable, that's what it was on the photo, and I got this, which is very frustrating because this isn't flexible, like you can't bend it, it's hard plastic, and this is like super flexible, like silicone-y cable. So that's really frustrating because now I have to use these because these seal really well, they're really flexible, and I can seal in this. This did not seal in this, so now I literally have to do this to that, then to that. And I've only got so much of these. I don't know if you can even get this cable anymore, like this hose, which is really annoying. So this is all I've got left of this. And I need to make turns. I need to make bends that are like, you know, I need to make bends like this, like that kind of bend. Ooh, not like that kind of bend. And you just can't do that without that like kinking, or like you just can't do the same unless it's got pressure in it. That's sweet. But if it doesn't have pressure, it just like kinks like really easily. Like I'd say earlier than this still kinks, but way earlier than this, and this seals really well as well. And definitely takes up a lot more room in this one than the other one, so it's got a bit of extra. I don't quite get 20 meters, which is annoying, but yeah, sealing nice, and I can just leave pressure on it when I want, and then just hose things down like the motorbike and all that biz. This is where we are today, and which one are we doing today, Nay?
We're doing Empress Falls, but we're doing like a nature track, which goes like up.
Should be good.
So
it's not totally clouded out.
Somewhere over there yesterday.
But it's definitely mystical. God damn, I really like this mysticalness.
Do not throw anything off.
Love it. So there's no workers, we can throw things off? So I've got this this thing. It goes in my hat for the Insta360, and I was thinking like I don't want a magnet on my head the whole time because, you know, there's obviously like iron in your blood, and I don't want anything pulling in the back of my head because I wear my hat a lot, and I like keep having it like I have it in my pocket, and I'll like do something like this, and I'll just be like, what the hell? Oh yeah, that's right. Why is my nipple getting stuck to this?
So is it wired out like yesterday? What?
Not totally wired out. I mean, I can see the trees below. It looks like it's already starting to lift. Just in the time I've been here. Definitely mystical though, I like that. Oh, that's a lot of steps.
It's definitely more than what they're saying.
And there would, be careful, it might be slippery. Yes, you look funny. Look at this. Look at this. Can you get across? It's pretty deep. Oh, you good? Keep that balance. Nicely done. Perfect. Oh, nailed it, Nay. Good work. I am not used to hiking boots. This is the first time I've worn them in literally years. Since Tasmania. Yeah, I mean, it's obviously rained a lot. Wait. What conveniently placed rocks. That's pretty. Hey there, now. Such fluffy ferns. Just set this little puppy up. So this is going to be pump on, pump off, and then this one in the middle is the charger. It's going to tell me the temperature, and then it's going to tell me how much voltage I've got. 24, that's perfect. So sometimes if I don't drive the truck for a while, since I've got the head unit always running, always recording, I do this, and then boom, it's using that battery to charge the truck battery. So I will not get a dead truck, because it has happened a couple of times now when I go to start and I'm like, ah, shit. It just uses it all. It's just over like 5 days I think of not driving. It like is just too low to start. Like if I leave it a week, it definitely won't start. But yeah, that's why I wanted to have this. It's just yeah, all connected up. Looks pretty clean, I think. Oh, wait, let me just. Oh, my battery's too low. But yeah, look at that. It's all clean. Looks like it's floating there. I need to stick it down though, because at the moment it can just move around. I just need some double-sided tape. Just right there, should look good. Yeah, pretty good. I can turn that off so I can just use it to see the voltage as well, so I don't have to actually, or the temperature, I guess. Yeah, it's not too bad. And I painted that, then I bogged it as well. Yeah, it's bad, I think.